Here's a quick overview of how to adjust your settings. To access the Settings menu, click here and select Settings. Your basic settings allow you to choose your preferred language and change your time zone. And you can customize your quick launch icons here as well. You can also update your contact information and change your password here. Click here to access all your email settings. Your vacation notice lets you create auto-reply messages for when you are out of the office. Just click on Vacation Notice. Then click here to turn it on. Type in your subject and message and click Apply Changes. To add a signature to your outgoing emails, click Add New Signature. Fill in the details and click Save. You can designate different signatures for new messages and for replies or forwards here. You can find additional settings for your calendar, address book, portal, drive, tasks, and documents here.